So today is a great day because people are always asking me if they can use DistroKid's HyperFollow link in their Facebook ads instead of having to use something like HypedIt or ToneDen. And for the longest time, I've been replying to people literally over 100 times, no, you can't use it because it doesn't have conversion events. And that's a huge problem when you're trying to run conversion-based campaigns. So I've always said don't use HyperFollow in your ads. Use it in like social media, like in your Instagram bio or something like that. But that all changes today. If we take a look at this tweet that Diego was so gracious to tag me in, they're announcing that you can add not only your pixel, but there's custom click events as well. And I've been asking them for this. I have a contact over DistroKid and I brought this up. And then I've also mentioned it on Twitter a couple of times, replying to their post, and they finally put it in. So I'm going to show you how it works, and then I'll show you how to set it up. And it's actually incredibly easy, just as easy as ToneDen, for example. So let's dive in. So if I go to here, I have a HyperFollow link set up. And all a HyperFollow link, it's just a landing page that you can set up and configure. And I'll show you some of the customization options. This video isn't sponsored by DistroKid, by the way. I just think it's cool and I want you to know about it for all of you that use DistroKid like me. So, as you'd expect, I'm going to refresh this page. And first I will go to my full screen. So now I have the whole page here. Over here I have Facebook test events feature. So if you don't know where I'm doing this, if you go over to Events Manager and then you click on the Test Events tab right here, you're gonna get this. You just put your HyperFollow link in there, and that's how we're gonna monitor these events. Now, to actually set up your pixel, go to the same Events Manager page, copy your ID, and just go to Analytics Pixel and paste it in right there. And then when you save the page, it'll be on the page. Now paste your DistroKid HyperFollow link up there, and already you can see we're getting a page view event fired. And there's a lot of cool things that this does that a lot of other landing page platforms like HypedIt or ToneDen don't actually support yet. So one cool thing, if I click Spotify, it takes me to Spotify, but on the event side, it shows click Spotify custom event. And if I click Apple, big surprise, I get click Apple Music. So you can actually segregate between different services, which is cool because I don't think any other platform currently does this. So that's awesome. Now, another thing it does, if you click the artwork, it'll actually trigger another event, show full image, which is kind of neat. I don't know how you might use that, but it's one way to monitor how, like, what people are doing on your page. In addition to that, they went above and beyond. And if you click play on the song, there's going to be audio play, and then when you pause it, there's going to be audio pause. And if this is actually like an album, what it's going to do is it's going to show when people skip to the next song or go back to the previous song. So you can monitor literally everything that's happening on that page. Now, if I go back here, I'll show you some of the things you can customize in this page. So you can use this as a pre-save link, meaning that if the song's not out yet, people can pre-save it. And there's another event for that. Now, you can also turn off the audio preview, which I actually recommend if you're doing a Facebook ad. You don't want people listening to the song on the page. They've already heard it in the ad. You want them to listen on Spotify or Apple Music or whatever. So I recommend actually turning this off. And then this actually message button text, I think they got rid of that feature, but it's still here, maybe because I made this before. You can customize your links and all that other stuff. Now, when you add your Facebook Pixel ID here, you can actually see their custom events. And I have that page already open. This is all the information about this new functionality. So as you can see, we get all the events. Click pre-save and then pre-save success. So this is kind of like if someone clicks pre-save but they don't follow through the login page, and this is like if they actually go through and log in and verify the pre-save. Then you have all the stores, audio play, audio pause, skip forward, skip back, and show full image. So this is an insane amount of functionality that's built into this free thing that's just part of DistroKid. So this isn't quite the full story. You can't just use these events out of the box because they're known as custom events. So if you go over to Events Manager, you see they're all known as custom events except for page view. So you won't be able to find them. Inside of your ad set, you have to be able to select what event you want your conversion campaigns to optimize for. And these won't show up by default. Page view will, but the rest won't. And this is the same for HypedIt and a lot of other platforms, but it's very easy to set up. All you're going to do is you're going to go to Custom Conversions. We're going to make a new custom conversion event, and then we just got to find whatever one we want to do. You know, maybe you want to do it off of click Spotify in particular. I don't think there's a generic click all, which would be cool if they also added that. But let's just say we want to optimize for Spotify. So click Spotify, you choose the standard event, and then we'll just call this HyperFollow Spotify. Click, and that's it. You could add a rule where you can add, like, make it only apply to this song, but I tend to just do the same conversion event for every song, and I haven't run into issues. So then just click create, and bada bam, we get our conversion event. Now, after you do that, you're going to have to go back to your page and just trigger the event. And then, you come back like 15 minutes later, and this should turn to active. And then at that point, you'll be able to actually go back into your Facebook and your ad set, and you can finish your campaign and put that new conversion event inside of your ad set. So I hope you found this helpful. This feature is awesome. Like, thanks to DistroKid for doing this. I think a lot of people are going to benefit from it. If you want to learn more about how I actually use this stuff in my Facebook ads, you can check out this playlist right here to see my current process. And if you want to buy my course, there's a link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.